Good morning, teacher. My name is Grace Andrade. Nobody's dying parent or even friends. And most of us words have realized that either harm to people, children or adults, in the same environment, in the same environment, and even if they are their own children. Their preferences vary. Therefore, the child skins the evidence of a corner where he feels comfortable and towards do devils in activity. All children have talent, ties, intelligence, capacity, and attitudes which might seem unique and special based to perform in different art and disciplines. Parents and teachers are responsible for helping children discover and develop their talents so that children's homes can reach their full potential. Thank you.